This is Mark. Thanks for watching.
Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice Cooking. Okay, let's make a special grilled cheese sandwich. But first, let's make super sweet onions for our sandwich. Sweet glazed onions will add a lot of flavor to your sandwich. Cut the onions like in the picture, in long slices. Please use purple onions. They will be best. Put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet. Add a little salt to the olive oil, not too much. Put the sliced onions in the skillet. Turn on the burner. Cover the onions and let them cook for about 45 minutes. The onions will glaze and look like this. The longer you cook them, the sweeter they will become. Now, the sweet onions are finished. Let's add some more flavor to our grilled cheese sandwich. Beef! I like to use beef on my grilled cheese sandwiches. Use thin strips of 100% beef. Add a little olive oil to the skillet for flavor. Cook the beef until well done. Use a paper towel to absorb the oil from the beef. The onions are glazed and the beef is cooked. Now we need tomato, avocado, cheese, mustard, and bread. Slice a tomato. Cut an avocado in half and take out the seed or pit. Get a slice of cheese. I like American cheese, cheddar cheese. Get 2 slices of bread. Squeeze some mustard on the bread. Place the beef on the bread. Place the tomato on the beef. Place the avocado on the tomato. Place the onions on the avocado. Place the cheese on the onions. Place some olive oil on the outside of the bread. Place the sandwich in the skillet. Cook each side for about 5 minutes until crispy brown. Cut and eat. Good. Okay. Thanks. I hope you enjoy your grilled cheese, beef, tomato, avocado sandwich. Okay, bye-bye. Take it easy.